We are here now at the Han River Dragon Boat Terminal. It's just across our hotel. So that's our hotel, Novotel. And we're going to take the cruise along the Han River and we're going to watch the Dragon Bridge spitting fire and water. All boats are lights up and getting ready to leave. The first Dragon Boat tour starts at 6 to 7:30 and the second starts at 8 to 9:30. The tour lasts for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. And they also have a musical dance show inside the boat while cruising, and they will serve you fruits also. You can take the Dragon Boat cruise tour every day, but only on weekends the Dragon Bridge spits fire and water, and that's what almost of the tourists in Da Nang would like to watch. This is the Han Bridge. It's a cable swing bridge in Da Nang and it rotates every night. I featured this on my last flight.
Oh, like that.
Ah. Yeah.
You can also go to the bridge to watch the dragons spit fires, and also they turn off the lights of the dragons. The Dragon Bridge in Da Nang is the longest bridge in Vietnam and it measures 666 meters in length. Everyone is now waiting for the dragon show. All of the boats now stop in front of the bridge and waiting. So the dragon show stops for a few minutes and it will resume again. And everybody is patiently waiting. It's hard to take videos when there's lots of people in front of you.
I hope so.
After it spits fire, now it's water.
It's like water. I don't know. Oh, I cannot. Yeah. Looks like. Or smoke. Yeah, people now are going back. Going back here. No? Lots of people are walking now. Walking back, yeah. Yeah, they started walking back now.
All boats now are going back to the boats terminal. And there's another dance performance while cruising back to the boat terminal.
We're done, we're back. The Star Hotel.
And we're done. So I'm just waiting for my boat to come down. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye.